everyone, I'm Chef Alina Z, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple detox drink with just 3 ingredients that helps stimulate your liver to detoxify your body so you can have more energy. And as you know, liver is our biggest organ inside the body and we need to be super loving to it. Okay, we will begin with lemons. I squeezed half a lemon, it's about 2 tablespoons, put it in a bottle. Any kind of bottle you want, but I love glass the most because you can see through it and it's kind of cool. Then we're gonna put some cranberry juice, also super good for cleansing, and cranberry juice also loves your kidneys, which help move all the fluid in your body. So if you're feeling like you have fluid retention, go to cranberry juice. And then we're going to add chia seeds. Chia is rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, and it's really, really crunchy. So you just want to put about a tablespoon in the drink here, and then we will fill it up with water to make sure that those crunchy chia seeds bulk up. They will expand about 4 times their size right now, and they will be nice and soft and chewy. See how quickly we made this drink? We just want to shake it up, and we're gonna leave it in the fridge or right here on the counter for about 10 minutes, and the seeds will bulk up, and then you can drink it. What I do is my easy tip. You can make a few of these at night and then have one every morning for 5 days. Have it on empty stomach about an hour before breakfast, and you will see how much more energy you have. You will also feel fuller so you're not starving. Cheers to your health, and until later.